thing I'm going to do before I start my closet and getting these boxes unpacked, I'm going to go ahead and plug my light up. You're supposed to wire it into the wall, but I plugged it up. Here is the back of what it looks like. Or some of you guys ask, what are you going to do with all your German stuff when you come back to the States? Okay, so I have this adapter. We just bought it from the PX. You just put it on the back. And that's if you even travel to Europe and you have to convert your stuff over from American to German, you will do the reverse. So you just put this on, and now I'm able to plug it directly into the wall. So here are the boxes that I brought in that needs to be opened up and placed in the closet. My clothes on there. So these 3 boxes had 0 clothes in them, but these other 2 boxes over here are full of shoes. Okay, so I got all of the mirrored knobs on. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put my handbags, but I'm gonna go ahead and place them here until I can figure it out, just so they're not scattered. Look, I have some folded up here. I have some here, in my out there on the bed. So I'm just gonna gather them all together, place all the handbags across the back bar. Hangers that came from IKEA, and put these in our coat closet, so if guests come over and all that, they can hang their coats on this wooden hanger. I think that'll be much nicer. And then I'll just go ahead and switch out and put all of my blazers, because I should not have more than this many blazers right here, because this is all I have for right now, like coats, blazers, and like little fur vests. I'm going to take them off these little white hangers and put them on the acrylic ones. Now I'm back in the room, and I'm about to tidy up and do what I can do for tonight. So I did go and grab hangers. This came out of Tuesday morning, and I went with this color. Okay, so I just went and got this out from, this is another Haworth. This is this type of desk. It's another mirrored Haworth desk. Is from Pier 1. Here's the legs. What I decided to do is, since I have all this space, I was thinking if I wanted to see if I was going to add it here. So have 2 Haworth desks here, but I didn't want to overwhelm the space. But I do have quite a bit of space, but I went on to move the hangers over here. Those won't stay in here. Those are just here while I'm, getting the closet and stuff together. But because I have this space here and this space over here that I'll have available, I'm going to go ahead and put this together, this extra desk. This used to be my daughter's. I do have another one of these mirrors as well, but I'm going to go ahead and just put it together and see what it's like.